Hello everybody, this is Levi Adler. I'm a realtor in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I'm actually the Fort Worth side. And I'm a nerd here in Texas. There are quite a few of us today. Anyway, so heads I win, tails you lose. I was noticing that there was almost nobody out there unboxing these. So today is the day for my YouTube debut. I ordered a dozen of these a year ago. Very excited for them. And after reading a couple of other things, I wonder if Wizards was being ironic when they named it Heads I Win, Tails You Lose. So I've heard about some printing issues, things like that. So let's get right down to it. Just a quick shout out to James, who told me I needed to do this. So here it comes, bud. And we'll get right to it. All right, here we go. This will be the very first secret Lair item I have ever opened, and I own quite a few of them. So I hope you know how all special you are. We can go over there, and we have a very shiny box. Very shiny box. And there we go. Alexis Zurich and Mike Uziel. Trademark 2021, which is a Coast LLC. Nothing special there. Right off the bat, that's kind of mint. Life counter. Very cool back. Front. And then it reads on both sides actually. So 40. Let's see how high we go. Just to 40. So 40 through 21 on one side, and 1 through 20 on the other. Alright. There's that. Let's get right into the nitty gritty of it. Alright, next we've got a cool little piece of swag here. It is a luck tracker. After years of research, our secret scientists have assembled the following piece of cutting-edge technology that allows you to keep track of your flips. And what will they think of next? I'm not going to read through all of that. I'm sure. Go ahead and post some pictures for y'all. Alright, next up, we have an empty box. We'll go ahead and stick this over here for now. And we will get right into the nitty-gritty of it. There's emblems on that side, and I can't. Zerd Spittle, Eye of Wisdom. So let's go from that side. Okay, so these will just tear. No need for a blade. Or maybe some. There we go. Just worth pointing out some of the issues I'd seen online. Everything looks pretty clean on the outside. I don't see any big scuffs or anything at all. So if this there were any question of the integrity of the cards themselves, they look really nice. I'm going to be trying to be very careful here. I do not like working with Magic the Gathering naked cards. I'm double sleeving commander kind of guy. So we'll work through these. Alright, a little plastic band. Alright, there we go. Alright, here we go. Some more garbage. We'll just work through these one by one. Your commanders, so they are extra thick. And they are all double-sided. Overall, I mean, I'm quite happy with this. This is very pretty. As far as the playability of it, man, I can't speak to that yet. I'm going to throw it out on the table here a couple of weeks from now on a Friday night. Between here and there, I've got a newborn baby coming on Wednesday. That's cool. Alright, so here's our first in a kind of a traditional Magic card look. All foil. They did post the original emblems there. And then we're getting into just regular backs, just so we're clear here. Foil. Original emblem. Pretty nib is it. I cannot complain. I haven't seen a single defect in these cards. Granted, I'm trying to show them to a camera, so I haven't pulled out the microscopes, if that's what you're implying. Ton of value here. I haven't priced it out. This would have stayed sealed in my closet if not for Mr. James convincing me otherwise. I definitely do not feel cheated for my $100. Oh, that's cool. So there's a Mirrodin sword for you, for all you old schoolies. A sliver. There is a sliver in this deck. Another Mirrodin. Okay. I was actually just going through these cards myself. My closet. One thing that is worth noting on the bottom left, you can see the little Planeswalker symbol. And then they are noted as. So this is the original print, just the 2006 on the actual. Okay, so nowhere on the card does it actually identify it as Secret Lair, with the exception of those little Planeswalkers in the bottom. That's interesting. So they went with the Double Masters emblem on that one. They did not go with the original. What was it? Was it Mirrodin? I don't remember. Anyway, here we go. On to the next one. Mind Stone. Weird Landscape. Negate. Whew. There's some fun times there. Oh, this is a very pretty card. Rogue's Passage, you know, because you want to be that guy. Another wonderful piece of equipment. This turned out very pretty. How well you can see it. Everything here is foil. So this is cool for me because this will be adding to my, currently I have 5 commander decks. That's a little disappointing. They went with the all the same island. Felt like that was kind of Wouldn't have been too tough to kind of unique those up, but with the 40K ones, I believe they did an excellent job with that. Again, still no issues. All foils. Academy of Ruin. This is a non-foil. Chaos Warp. Commander's Plate. Desolate Lighthouse. Oh, one of my favorite pieces of equipment for my Sisei deck. Ember Cleave. Sonic Orchard. Gamble. There's a fun one. Goblin Engineer. Inventor's Fair. Mirror March. Shape. Seize the Day. Oh, another excellent piece of equipment there. The Shadow Spear. Shipping Reef. Gotta somewhat hurry up here. Don't want to make this too long. The Locust God. A very annoying commander if you're on the other side of the table. Alright, what else? Training Center. War of Invention. Your Sea Fortune's Flames. Oop, the Arcane Signet. Chance Encounter. No, that's the Odyssey. Okay. I went way back here on some of these. Command Tower. Counterspell. Surprised they went with that one, but alright. Something more classic. Mercadian Masks. Alright. Another Odyssey. Oh, some oldies here. Can you see them up here?
Anything that you would want to.
I need to hold it up further.
I mean, they can't yet.
Ah!
Anything really cool, you need to bring it to the lens. Does that make sense?
Yeah. Reliquary Tower. Ooh. Onslaughts. Right. Soul Ring. This will be my first ever commander deck with a Soul Ring. That's how bad I am at this game. Temple of the False Gods. Very nice. That's the newer version. Oop. Okay. And then we got that one. And I'm guessing this must be the special card everybody's worried about. And I got a mountain for the secret lair. Now let me make sure nobody sees my any codes here. Nope, nope, nope. Okay. Let's do a quick here. On your turn, how it works. And there's your tokens. Copies. Landmine or copy. A treasure. Or a... we got the emblem for the planeswalker. And a bunch of insects. And should you need any Texas real estate help, we have a gigantic brokerage. Oh, sorry, I skipped this part. I apologize. Here we are with the coins. There's your red. And there is your blue. Heads I win, tails you lose. Should you need a realtor in Texas, please reach out. This is where I do that. Levi Adler, the team lead. I'm the team lead on the Alito team. And I am a agent realtor for Ready Real Estate. So Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. Yeah, please reach out. I'm glad you could take a look. If you have any questions or comments, please reach out. No problem. This will be my first YouTube, so I look forward to comments, if any. And thank you very much.